Welcome back, Green Country Customs here. We got a paint session. We're going to be matching the hatch or matching the bait. This one was sent to me, old Luhr Jenson bait. I think he believed he called that the Texas Red. So if you're interested in matching this particular bait and you want to learn how to do it, come follow me along. We're going to spray some paint. All right, we're going to be matching this old Luhr Jenson. I don't know if it's original color or not, but this is what we're going with, and we're going to be doing it on another speed trap. Bill's been kind of adjusted on this one. I'll have to show you that when you check out the pictures, but go in here and lay a real light coat. Brighten that bad boy up. Get all that flake in it, but I think that's about the same color red we got now. This will be a pretty quick little pattern for you. I don't remember what the customer called it, but a Texas Red maybe. We're going to throw down our little hand cut. Nice. Yellow eyes and some glitter. Let's see. What's this yellow? Alright, we got our yellow eyes. Put a little black dot in the middle of that. And then we can get an inner coat clear with UVLS with glitter.
Well, game on.
I know, I'm about to come in.
I'm not really hungry right now, so.
Okay. That's a little gold and silver flake. Cover that up with some UVLS. Got our glitter. All we need is a little clear coat added. And I think we got pretty much of a dead on match. So pretty simple colors that went into this. We put a little bit of a base coat of fluorescent red down. We went over that with a, on the back, a little bit darker than the sides, but we misted it with a bright red, and then right back over the top of that with 2 coats of fluorescent red. We did black, jet black on the markings, and an Autoborn yellow for our eyes. And there you have the bright Texas red. So we're going to shoot clear over this, and we'll have some cool pictures at the end. Tell me what you think of it. If you liked it, make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Until next week, Green Country Baits, signing out.